Hello and welcome to my how-to video for today. Today's video is going to be about planting beetroot seeds. Now these are very nice and easy to grow. You can grow these in the ground. They won't grow in plant pots as they get a bit too big, so you're best off growing these in the ground. But first of all, you need to start them off in seed trays, plant pots or milk cartons, which I use. It's a good way of recycling. So you need a packet of beetroot seeds. You can get these from the supermarket. They don't have to necessarily be from a seed magazine or anything. You obviously need a plant pot and you will need some compost, which compost you can get from a supermarket at this time at the moment. So let's get... So first off, you need to get your milk carton. I use 4 litre ones, as they're a bit bigger. You obviously need to cut the label off the bottom. And you need an adult to do this, as it is quite dangerous and you don't want the child to hurt themselves. You need to cut the bottom of the milk carton off. So just pierce it. Nice and easy. I usually leave the top on the milk carton if it's easier to pierce it when it's full of air. Just like so. And next up you obviously need to wash it out. So once you've washed it out, you will need to make the holes in the bottom. I usually put these on the soil on the bottom. To make the holes in. So nice and easy, just like that. So after that, then we need to put some compost in it. And usually fill it about halfway full. As this is what the seeds will be on. Like I said, you can pick up some compost from the supermarkets, they all sell it. So it's easy to get hold of at the moment. So next up you need your seeds. Beetroot seeds are really smallish, but not too small. They're easy enough to handle, just like so. And the next thing to do is just sprinkle them along the top. Now to each seed you'll get 2 plants. It's funny that, but that's how they grow. And you just sprinkle them along the top of the compost. You'll probably need 2 milk cartons if you're doing it in milk cartons to do this, as you don't want them all too close together, as they need to be easy enough to handle. So we've used about half of the seeds up as such, and it'll look something like that. Just make sure they spread out evenly, so that they evenly spread out just like that. So next up, you need to cover them with another layer of compost. Keep them warm, nice and easy, just like that. So once you've done that, you'll need to write the name of what seeds you're growing in them on the side. I use a Sharpie pen. So you've got beetroot in there. That shouldn't wash off because it's a Sharpie pen. You can either use a label or a lollipop stick or something, as long as it's marked up. And then we need to water it. Okay, so once you've done that, you can water them, give them a nice good drink of water, as such, like that. And then next up, you need to put them somewhere sunny so that they can grow, and somewhere warm. So they're in a sunny spot on my allotment in my shed, and they'll keep nice and warm in this warm weather. So fingers crossed they grow. So that's today's video on how to start your beetroot seed off. Make sure you like it and share it if you're watching it on Facebook, but if you're watching it on YouTube, click the notification button, the bell and the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with new videos that I post, and share, as it's great to get learning how to garden at the moment, especially with children, as it's brilliant for their educational needs. So thanks for watching, and until next time, keep gardening.